Good morning. So, kita session. Sige. Okay. Pero, pwede sa ka mo mamina ng session, no? Huwag ka mo magdali. Sige. Thank you. Good morning. June 9, 2026. This is the 43rd regular session of the 12th Sangguniang Bayan of Benguet. This regular session is now called to order. Singing of national anthem to audiovisual presentation. We would like to request Honorable, on behalf of Honorable Reza Digumba, we would like to request Honorable Paul Sereno for the prayer and the recitation of the Councilor's Creed.
Salamat sa mahal sa anak sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Dahil ka mahal sa mga may kanutubang kahong, dahil ka sa kanutubang sa kaibigan. Salamat sa grasa sa kaibigan, sa kanutubang makita o makita, naghatag dugang bulok sa kaibigan. Salamat ining na kung gayon, may maghatag ka namo sa nakaw sa paari at kami nakatapot. Aron pag-isko, kabahin sa paglambo sa lungsod sa inyo. Kinakapunta ng gabitin mo ang among mga nabil, pagpadayag sa among mga katuyuan, ang landagan mo ang mga una-una o kasing-kasing, aron mahayagan kini o makabatong kami sa tumong tuyo alang sa kalabuan sa lungsod. Sa iwa kami sa mga sala na mga himo na kanimo ngadto sa among sikatao. Tanan mo sa Ginoo man madawat pinani Kristo ang Ginoo. Amen. Salamat sa mahal sa Anak sa Espiritu Santo. Repeat after me. I am a Philippine Councilor. Mandated by law to enact measures and ordinances that redound the general welfare of my constituents in their pursuits for happiness, peace and prosperity. I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official acts. And as I try the pathways of local legislations, may the Almighty guide my mind and heart that I shall be true to my constituent and the Filipino people.
I am a Vice Mayor, and my commitment to my people is to devote myself to public service by divine providence and by the will of the people. I am mandated to preside over the local legislation that with integrity and statesmanship, I shall lead the local legislature to enact measures and ordinances for the common good and fulfill my people's aspiration for happiness, peace, and prosperity. May the Almighty God help me consecrate myself for the people I am called to serve. Please sit down. Thank you very much. Roll call, determination of quorum, Mr. Secretary.
Honorable Kaido,
Present, sir.
Honorable Toribio,
Present.
Honorable Mintayaw,
Sir.
Honorable Miloso, Honorable Canoy, Honorable Sereno, Honorable Isa, Honorable Baler, Honorable Gaigod, Honorable Saligumba, Honorable Bangilio, and Presiding Officer of the Honorable.
Okay, there are 6 members in attendance. 5 absent, 4 in official business. Honorable Angel, I think she's absent. The chair declared there's a presence or existence of a quorum. Let's proceed. Privilege hour. Privilege speech. No privilege speech. Honorable Laido? Wala? Okay. Honorable Murillo?
Mr. Chair, thank you. Honorable members, this council, my Bulitab, yesterday there were some reports regarding on the operation of mining, small-scale mining in municipality of Boston. In sitio 5 Barangay Katihan. The concern was raised due to the poisoning of fisheries and other aquatic animals and other land animals due to the contamination of the contamination of cyanide, the chemical cyanide. Mr. Chair, yesterday, we talked about regarding the concern, and there was an agreement of the NCIP na dili na ipaagi sa community. But throughout our sa aming combo, na kung dili na pakabala regarding sini, kaya this is a list sa kanato retirement. Maybe some magkuha lang kita ng letter, we address it to the mayor of Boston para magkuha kita ng dialogo or anything na medium na para magkaistoryahan kanato Luxor regarding on the issue of the small-scale mining na sa Coal Pipeline. Mr. Chair, I propose na maglaita kita sa municipality of Boston regarding on this matter. Kaya base na po wala lang pangini, yung mga concerned citizens, especially yung mga religious na mo reklamo, tapos wala itong hihinanin mo an action, na naway pagpakabala nato. So, yan lang, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Orly. Actually, the mayor instructed me to conduct an investigation sa kalang operation last 2 weeks na. So, initial na atong reaction on my office is I instructed our ITMR, our SB member, to visit the site para i-verify. So, kahapon, na suta po na po na ang Barangay Council sa Rahan ay resolution address to sa kulian. But wala pa lang nila gihakan diri kay napay isusi pa nila o maayo dito. O ila pang i-verify o maayo. But naana sila approve resolution, signature lang daw ni Kapitan ang kulang. So, Since the mayor already know, nahibalo naman ang mayor niya, ninawag naman sa kuha, nag-instruct naman sa kuha na himuan ng investigation. So in our side, in the municipality, naanay ko signal sa mayor, so we will proceed. Kaya anytime mag-follow up si Mayor Ana sa status sa ato.
Mr. Chair, what do you mean by we proceed to committee meeting or proceed to the what action?
We proceed to conduct any action in legislative action. So, magaling na gahapon lang ko nakadungog na nanay resolution ba yung barangay address to sa Gunian. Wala pa lang pirmahin kapitan. Kaya napay i-verify. Then, ang atong si IPMR, nato yung istorya last week na nihangyo daw ang oriental na di na lang padakuon problema. Parang nanang tunada sa iyang pagpagod sa ako. Kaya sila na lang dito manghanap ko solusyon na wala tong nakadamage sa mga isda. But bisan pa, kung wala tayong concrete na action, balik ka hapon na back mo kuan, kung wala tayong concrete na response. So thank you na imo nang kuan, imo nang kaya para ma-refer na to sa committee. At least you can proceed. So ako nang i-refer sa committee, wala ra ba dali sa SK, sa environmental protection. Anybody can handle this?
Committee dahon na lang natin para
Sige. Ato lang refer sa committee of the whole. Refer to committee of the whole. Any privilege speech? Reading, question hour? Question hour? Honorable Paul, atong bisita na to kanina, ato lang ito refer sa inyong committee para ma-proper na to. So, in connection sa visitors kanina about sa illegal compressor activities within our DOR, kumpleto nila na nainisulod Tagalawigan, Tagalanipas. Ang base sa istorya dito, ang mga diver may Tagalingi, ang tagiya sa equipment, dili Tagalingi. Mo ay na istorya. So, ikaw na lang paano palawag sa investigasyon. Dinong katukaling allegation nila na ay protector, dili dakpor ka na protekta. So, willing man to sila kung istorya pa. Ang sabi ka tinuro kanina. Refer ako sa committee nima. Refer to Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries. In connection sa atong concern sa atong bisita kanina na Officer Poso para tayo poblasyon. Ini, question hour. Okay, reading and referral of proposed measures, petition, letters, and other communications.
Mr. Presiding Officer, first item of referral is the request for the approval of a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into a legal termination and acceptance with the Department of Social Welfare and Development. This is with respect to one said child in this case.
Refer to Committee on Legal Matters.
Next item is the request from the municipal mayor for the creation of the following. In the Office of the Municipal Agriculture Office, 1 aquacultural technologist salary with 10, 1 aquaculturist 1 salary with 11, 2 agricultural technologist is salary with 10, clerk 2 salary with 4, and 2 farm workers salary with 8. Under the legislative multi-species marine hatchery, 1 aquaculturist 2 salary with 15, 2 aquacultural technologist salary with 10. And under the agricultural and biosystem engineering unit, 1 agricultural and biosystem engineer and with salary grade 19. And also in the office of the Municipal Economic Enterprise Development Office, 1 project development officer, 2 salary grade 15.
Okay. Pwede na natin i-refer sa wala chairman. Refer to Committee on Good Governance.
Next item for referral is appropriation ordinance number 1, series of 2025 of the General Fund Annual Budget for fiscal year 2026 in Barangay Barcelona involving a total appropriation of 7,459,598 pesos.
Refer to Committee on Budget or Appropriation.
Next item is the request for accreditation o mangingisda ng mandos tungo sa Kaunlaran Association o AMDQA.
Refer to Committee on CSO Accreditation, chaired by Honorable Naino.
Next item is proposed resolution entitled a resolution authorizing the municipal mayor Honorable Edmond P. Bamilio to waive the necessary municipal fees associated with securing requirements for new connection with Sosico 1 under the Light Home Project to the identified beneficiaries in barangays of Palo Alto, Maya, San Roque, and Tagpucoran. The proponent of this is Honorable Arnold Timlaki.
Refer to Committee on Waste and Means or chaired by Honorable Aurelio.
Next item is a proposed resolution earnestly requesting the Department of Environment and Natural Resources Regional Office 13 or CARAGA through its land management services to conduct education and boundary survey of the political boundary between Barangay Barcelona and Barangay Bolongan, Municipality of Bini. The proponent of this is Honorable Omar Diloso.
Okay, refer to Committee on Land Use.
Next item is a proposed resolution earnestly requesting the Honorable Sangguniang Bayan of Bini Province to Surga Resort for the allocation of funds for the acquisition of fiber pole for the residents of Sitio San Antonio, Coronel, Barangay Barcelona. The proponent is of this Honorable Mumar Diloso.
Refer to Committee on Appropriation.
That's all, Mr. Chair.
Okay, when you speak to Honorable Diloso, the proposed submitted proposed ordinance about sa municipal gym naming to certain previous leader. I intend not to include because I have read the ILJ circular review, so read the ILJ order na gina-prohibit ang pagpangalan sa certain kuwan. Then when I took the mayor initially, they have also planned to submit a proposal sa pagkuwan na sila ila pa lang submit nila. So I suggest that i-review na lang ito yung proposal na po dito so then is kuwan sa DAG para na reference. Our mayor also naging na maghakal sila sa ato ang proposal. Maybe lang siguro na pangalan or kuwan lang parehas lang sa Bisliga at halos kaligid cultural center Marinana. Tunada ni Mayor sa konsulta na. So, kung ma-revise, kasi ito yung natin resubmit pa. Okay? Next is wala na? Committee reports. Committee reports. Honorable Diloso.
Initial report, Sir Chair, sa kanang sa DNR region. Ipa-track na sa Secretary na ito resolution para sa pag-conduct na relocation survey sa Barcelona ang buong Community. Pero sa ito say, para resolution na gawas ikan sa Sangguniang, ipa-track sa region para sa copy nila na request. So, therefore, ako, yung kwadra mo ng mapa, yung cardinal, today, ang tanong sa na resolution. Kaya may kinahanglan para na sila maka-schedule. Kaya kaya kuwang, amuha sila maka-schedule for how many years kaya may adawat na mabil. Muna ngayon sa chat.
Sige, ato aksyonan, Honorable Gaino. On the proposed resolution karon, ang naka-refer. So, thank you, Honorable Diloso. Any committee reports?
Mr. Chair,
Committee reports? Sige, proceed.
okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. So, regarding Mr. Chair, itong sa concreting o barangay roads, kilometer 51. So, since wala sa personnel ng engineering natin, nagawa maka-committee. So, I found out na yung kistoryahan na mga mo dahil Hilda, kaya hindi siya dili kung hindi ka kung pundo ito Santa Maria, kundi pundo ito sa 20% intended para sa kilometer 51, amounting of 319,000, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Last week, galit o garis engineer, di ba, mga transition, may pakapon. So, wala na ako ng birthday. Ako na lang siya i-explain niya. Nakabutan dito na concreting of critical section. Walay pangalan. O asa utang, Santa Maria ba, 51 ba, asa barangay. So, wala nagpadala sila o request kay bawal man mag-implement ng project kung why specific na list, title, mga asa kayo sa utang. So, mo na purpose. So, wala problema na kay ating sa budget nato sa annual is concreting o critical section ang nakabutang. So, ngayon na sila authority na i-implementan nila sa 51 kay critical section man 51. So, wala nang pinakabutang ito na chip na 51. Wala na yung purpose. Pasalamat ka na ilang yung actually okay na siya wala na problema. Ang connection sa uban. So, you can proceed that to the approval.
Okay, so I think this is being approved in the business committee, Mr. Chair.
Oh, thank you. Committee reports. Any committee reports? Wala na. Calendar of business, unfinished business. Business of the day. So, Honorable Paul Sereno.
Here with me is not included in the referendum on the schedule of samples. Just recently give the schedule for this night.
Okay.
There is the request when they
Okay.
may Mr. Chair,
Asan ako?
at San Vicente, Bagong Silang, San Antonio, Taguna sa ako, dito dyan para di Barcelona.
Yang sa Porksingko, 14. Oo, 14. Kapit na lang.
So, ako na lang i-apply ng referral. Sige na lang. Sige sa referral. Ganun na.
SBN, so the Porksingko,
June 14.
So,
Bago?
5
ilang pa po na?
Kala, pare mo yun? Oo, kala mo yan.
So, ito pa. Mas na pinalitan. Tayo. Para isa lang ako. So, include na lang ako sa referral. Then,
if constitution
ato na. Wait. Include na ako sa referral din. Sige. Sige na lang.
Supply, motion supply big.
Motion na lang. May legal kita sa June 14.
Motion eh.
So, if this August budget will allow me to be included in the business meeting.
Okay. But, ikaw lang, i-move lang na i-include siya sa
And I,
referral.
yes, and I, this is issues to be included in the referral.
Okay. Iskander. Iskander ka na goal. Iluso at Aurelio. In objection. Hearing none na additional topic. Request by Honorable Board saying will be included to the referral.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Let's proceed. We will suspend or resist to discuss the new referendum. Honorable Deloso.
Mr. Chair, I move for the 5 minutes recess to discuss the item number 6 and the new referendums.
Okay, item number 6, item number Item number 1, sabong. Item number 5 na lang ako sa Sorsico, Honorable Aurelio. Item number 156. Okay, 10 minutes recess, 5 minutes recess. Wala na. Okay, session, resume. Honorable Gailo is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I move for the approval of the request resolution of to the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Regional Office 13, Caraga Region, through its land management services to conduct relocation and boundary survey of the political boundary conflict between Barangay Barcelona and Barangay Bungan and Barangay San Roque and Barangay Pagtilaan of Municipality of Lingi, Mr. Chair.
Two different resolution?
Yes,
Or
Mr.
isa
Chair.
na lang na siya? Two different resolution. Okay, there was a motion for the resolution requesting Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Caraga Region, through land management services to conduct a relocation and boundary survey of the political boundary between Barangay Barcelona and Barangay Bungan. Ini Sikander.
Seconded, Mr. Chair.
Seconded by Honorable Pintayo or Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved. How about Barangay San Roque and Barangay Pagtilaan? Ini Sikander.
Seconded, Mr. Chair.
Seconded by Honorable Batista, Diloso, and Aurelio. The resolution, the resolution requesting the NR to conduct a survey in the boundary of Barcelona and Bungan and Pagtilaan and San Roque is hereby approved. Next,
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Another, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Gailo, proceed.
Is the request of the approval through resolution of the proposed project concreting of barangay roads in kilometer 51 in Lingig, Surigao del Sur in amounting of 319,306.32 centavos, Mr. Chair.
Okay, request for the construction of the critical section amounting to 300 plus sitio 51. Request by the mayor. Ini Sikander. Sikander by Honorable Aurelio, Honorable Diloso, and Pintayo. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved. Thank you, Honorable Gailo, Honorable Aurelio, which is very nice.
Okay, Mr. Chair, there will be two motions, Mr. Chair, to approve this business again, Mr. Chair. One is the resolution suspending the payment of the LGU electrical application fee for sitio electrification program, which is the same beneficiary within the municipality of Lingi.
Okay, a motion, a resolution authorizing the mayor, Elmer Evangelio, to waive the necessary municipal fees associated with the security requirements for the new connection with Sorsico 1 under the light and whole project or the sitio electrification program beneficiary in Barangay Palo Alto, Barangay Mahayahay, Barangay San Roque, and Barangay Tacpupura. Any objection? Any Sikander? Any Sikander? Seconded by Honorable Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
The chair is not corrected. There will be four motions, Mr. Chair, for the approval during the business of the day. The second, Mr. Chair, is the annual budget of the Barangay Barcelona current year 2026 amounting to 7,485,580 pesos.
Okay, adopting or authorizing the use of the annual budget of Barangay Barcelona amounting to 7,459,598 pesos. Ini Sikander. Sikander by Honorable Pintayo. Gailo. Any objection? Honorable Paul? No objection.
Second there.
Seconded by Honorable Paul Angeloso. Any objection? Hearing none, the annual budget of Barangay Barcelona fiscal year 2026 amounting to 7,459,598 pesos is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, is for the final and third and final reading of the amendment of the rental rates of municipality gymnasium.
Okay, final reading o approval of the rental of the municipal gym. Ini seconder. Seconded by Honorable Paul Sereno and Artisa. Any objection? Hearing none, ordinance approving the rental of gym in the municipality of Ringig. Anong number of ordinance? Amendment o ordinance, amending. Not amending, approving. Wala kayo. 54, ordinance number 54. 54. Is hereby enacted.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, for the approval of the resolution for the trust fund amounting to 1.6 million for the earthquake-affected barangays.
Supplemental.
Supplemental.
No. Resolution na diba? Resolution.
Itong sa national,
Okay, resolution authorizing the mayor.
bali, i-identify ang budget.
Yan si commentary po sa mga. Ano ba topic ko? Mana ko mga sa option.
Ito pala sa session na session.
Resolution yan kay
Resolution authorizing 1.6 billion
high school building.
remaining funds from national aid to utilize for the repair and maintenance of the damaged classrooms and other offices amounting to 1.6 million.
1.6 million.
Okay, ini seconder. Seconded by Honorable Sereno and Deloso. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
That's all, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Honorable Aurelio. Honorable Deloso. Nice.
Mr. Chair, just an inquiry to the ordinance, to the approval of the ordinance in gymnasium and other property na para Mr. Chair, kumali, ito pa natin i-approve ngayon ang final.
Actually, karon ang proper ay na
Last time,
wala kay public hearing kasi ako muna.
Tapos Mr. Chair, ang sagot mga incident na sitwasyon na doon pa natin ma-approve ang ordinance, pero kaparintan na sila prior the approval. So, it is legal to collect or magkaparintan na doon pa ma-approve ang ordinance.
So, illegal kayo.
So, the sample ako.
Dapat ang ganito nila, ang karaan ordinance. Oo. Kasi nakatabayan ng subject sa una, 200 correct, 100.
No, Mr. Chair, the chairs, mga bangko, ipabayad ako ng tag-20 isa last Thursday.
Hindi lang ka, separate easing niya.
Actually, ay,
Tapos, gabayad kami ng gym yesterday ba ito? 7,000 kapit para gamitin noong 13 sa plan.
Okay. In a separate scenario, Mr. Chair, during the welcoming of the two parish church priest, ang collection is sa nabag-anak ko, itong karaan pa. I don't know kung
Ikaw ako kayo, kung
Kaya kinanaw sa mga ka Cheryl. Actually, si Cheryl, ang karaan ko nung nagay sa Juan, sa gym. Ang salit lang ka na, ang kayo sa mga sa local government, sa ninyo po.
actually, nag-start ako sa video na nilig sa interest na ordinance. Kaya wala tayo ako.
Mito naman.
Hindi siguro ko lang pa.
Kaya ang representative ng
Pwede
Ano sa engineer? Are you aware? Wala ka, idea. Sige. Basta kay instruction, kapada ako ng license ka bago na kuha.
Engineer.
Di na i-implementa kay Wapay approve na ordinance. Ang karaan na yan dito. So, violation to, kung gagawa, implement sila. Wala na, namaripanan. Okay. Next. Honorable Paul Sr.
Yes, engineer. Ang hindi ko yun, sa kapatid.
Motion for approval, request for special campaign event at San Vicente, Barcelona.
Okay. One day special activity at Sitio San Vicente, Barangay Barcelona, this coming June 10. In his calendar, the Honorable Aurelio, in objection, hearing none, special campaign event and Sitio San Vicente, Barcelona, this coming June 10 is hereby approved.
Another motion at Bagong Silang on June 11.
At Bagong Silang, June 11, special campaign event, Barangay Barcelona, in his calendar, Seconded by the Artisa and Aurelio and Deloso. Any objection? Hearing none, the special campaign event in Barangay Asit Yosin, Bagong Silang, Barangay Barcelona, this coming June 11 is hereby approved.
Another is at San Antonio on June 13.
San Antonio, Barangay Barcelona again,
Yes.
June 13. Any objection? Any seconder? Seconded by the Artisa, Lailo, Deloso and Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, June 13 at Sitio San Antonio, Barangay Barcelona, special campaign is hereby approved.
Another motion for Sitio Tagulasan on June 24.
Sitio Tagulasan, June 24, special campaign activity. Any seconder? Seconded by the Artisa, Lailo, Aurelio and Deloso. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
Another motion for special campaign event at Purok 5 Poblacion on June 14.
Porok 5 Poblacion is coming June 14. Any seconder? Seconded by the Honorable Lailo, Bintaya, Artisa and Aurelio. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is approved. Thank you, Honorable Paul Sorenio. Next, unassigned business. Announcement. Any announcement? There was a motion for the adjournment by Honorable Deloso, seconded by Honorable Artisa. Session is hereby